All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Hi everyone, I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. How are you? Let me know down below in the comments. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I would recommend to buy from Lush when you have £100 to spend. A few weeks ago I did a similar video with £50, however I also got requested to do a £100 version, and I feel like I've gone for more luxurious items in this video. I feel like if you've got £100 to spend, you're probably going to want to buy some really lovely luxurious items. So I've tried to make it a little bit different from my last video. Nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So I'm just sitting to the side again so I can insert some photos because I don't actually own all of the items I'm going to be suggesting for you guys. But the first product I think you should buy with £100 is the Rub Rub shower scrub. Now this is a shower scrub which I have used for so long. It's so nice. You can use it as a shampoo, you can just use it as a body scrub, but it makes you feel silky smooth and it's so nice. I think this product is really good, especially if you're going to be fake tanning to get all that dead skin off, but also giving your skin that moisture that it needs. But I just really love it. It smells like Sakura bath bomb, so it smells like cherry blossoms, so it's really subtle, but also it just leaves you feeling so incredibly soft and moisturised. You definitely need to give this product a go. Rub is £13 for a pot, so it is quite expensive, but again, if you're going to be having £100 to spend, definitely worth it in my opinion. The next product isn't a surprise if you watch my videos on the regular, and that is the Lord of Misrule shower gel. This is my favourite shower gel, apart from Plum Rain, ever. I love this product so much. You need to give it a go. It's an all year rounder. It smells like Christmas and just joy in a bottle. It's so good. It's bright green, so it is quite fun. It makes you look like a mixture of Shrek and the Hulk in the shower, which not so much fun. But it is a really lovely shower gel, and because it's a shower cream, it makes you so moisturised. It's so lovely, and again, it smells so good. So yeah, for the small bottle of Lord of Misrule, it is £7. It's not overly cheap, but it's definitely something that you should invest in my opinion. I'm a little bit biased because it is my favourite, but I really like it. Next up is a classic, and that is the Comforter Bubble Bar. I think I mentioned this in my last video, but it's such a good choice. You need to give this a go. It's £5.95, so it's not overly expensive compared to a few other things that you could buy from Lush, and you can get about 4 baths out of it, so it's so worth the money. It's really good. It smells like Ribena and blackcurrant, and it's just so yum. So I definitely recommend this bubble bar. If you've got £100 to spend, you're definitely going to want to buy a few bath items in my opinion, so the Comforter is definitely my choice for you. I think you're going to enjoy it a lot. Next up is another body scrub. This product is £9, and that is the Scrubby body scrub. Now I love this because it's a body butter and a scrub all in one, so it gives you that soft skin feel but exfoliates every inch of dead skin off your body. It's so good. It smells like cocoa butter and vanilla, so it smells like chocolate or something. It's so delicious, and I love this product. It looks so cute. I just think everybody will love it. I think it's good for sensitive skin, it's good for dry skin, oily skin, because it just leaves you feeling unbelievably soft and smooth, and I cannot recommend it enough. If you love a good exfoliant, then definitely go for this one. It's amazing. I thought I'd chuck in a face mask, and I've decided to go for the Mask of Magnaminty face mask. It's good for most skin types unless you're super sensitive. I feel like this is great for spot prone skin, oily skin, dry skin. It is really good. For me, it's good because I tend to get breakouts every now and then like a normal human being. But this just gets rid of it completely. It makes my skin feel so clean and so fresh, and once I wash it off, it leaves it really cooling and soothing, and I really love that. For the small tub, it is £9, so again, it isn't overly cheap. It's not a 99p packet face mask. It is going to last you a good few uses, and it makes my skin feel unreal, so I thought you guys would like it too. I thought I'd pop in something a little bit different, and I'm going to go for the Soft Cur massage bar. Now, if you've got a significant other or you like a good body oil, then a massage bar is great. Obviously it's in the name, it's good for a massage, but if you're kind of not into that kind of thing, or you have no one to massage you, then definitely use it as a body oil. It's so moisturising. I tend to use these before bed because I feel like they are incredibly oily and I don't like that feeling on my skin throughout the day. So if you're asleep, you don't feel it. So definitely use this as a body oil. I know that some people cut them up and use them as bath oils, so you could do that too, but it would be quite an expensive bath oil considering it costs £5. So I mean, it is up to you, but it's definitely worth giving it a go if you're into that kind of thing. Now with the next product, I have cheated a little bit because I've actually never personally used it before, but I saw it on the website and I thought, that is unreal, I'm gonna put it in here, and that is the Flight Bath Bomb. Now how unreal does this look? Like, the colours of it looks unreal. Go onto the website, you can see a video of it. It just looks so super fun. Very similar to a lot of other bath bombs. It is £5.95. It's not overly cheap, but I thought, do you know what, this one looks really interesting and I think a lot of you guys would enjoy it. It looks like it's got some great colours. It says it's quite fruity and floral, so probably a scent that we'd all probably enjoy. But yeah, I definitely would give this one a go, and I'm definitely going to be buying it as soon as this whole situation is over. Another bath bomb and another classic, I thought I'd pop in the Comforter. Again, similar to the bath bomb, it smells like Ribena, and if the scent isn't for you, obviously go for something completely different, but this one just does things. It's so good, smells really super sweet, the scent lasts on the skin, and in the water it looks unbelievable. I have a lot of Lush bath bomb demos over on my Instagram, so go and follow me, it's just my name. But yeah, there's a highlight with all of them in there, and I have definitely done that one once or twice before, so go and give that a watch. I love the shape of this bath bomb, I love the texture of it, it's really fun and something a little bit different, and it is £3.95, so it's not the most expensive bath bomb, but it's definitely a fun one to go for if you like pink and you like Ribena. I had to pop in a body lotion because I thought, you know what, let's go for something a little bit more luxurious and a little bit different, and I thought I'd pop in the Sleepy body lotion. Now this product smells like Twilight, so you know it's up my street. It's full of lavender, vanilla, it smells delicious, and to be honest, it's great before bed and it's great in the daytime. I just can't get enough of it. I have about 3 pots of this in my room somewhere. I just feel like I keep buying it because I love it so much, and it's really lovely. Makes your skin so super soft, and the scent is just divine. So if you like Twilight and you like lavender and you like vanilla, definitely get Sleepy body lotion. It is very good. I don't usually pop in bath oils, but I thought I'd push the boat out and go for the Floating Island bath oil. Now they have gone up in price. They used to be £2, I remember correctly, and now they're £2.95, so I don't know, not sure how I feel about it. Floating Island smells like vanilla. It's so lovely, so subtle. It's nice to mix if you're going to make a bath cocktail, or if you just want it on its own. It's just a really good choice to go for. It's one of my favourites. I like to use it with other bubble bars or other bath bombs, or on its own. Like I said, it is still really nice, so it depends on what you kind of want to do. But yeah, they've definitely gone up in price, and I don't know how I feel about it. I thought I'd also pop in a facial cleanser, and I'm going to go for the Ultra Bland. Now I'm not going to lie, this product is £17, which is so much more expensive than it used to be. I swear, it never used to be £17. This is an oil-based cleanser, so it's great for removing makeup, it's great for dry skin, sensitive skin. It is similar to the Elizabeth Arden cleansing balm thing. It's very much the same kind of concept. It's so good, very popular. A lot of people use this and a lot of people do love it, so it's one that I would recommend to you guys. And if you are looking for a really nice skincare item, it's a good one to go for. And last but by no means least is the Heshwen Wen Hua. Did I just pronounce that right? I think I might have done. So this is a hair treatment. It's full of free-range eggs, so it's full of protein, which means your hair is going to be super strong and super soft and shiny and moisturised, and it kind of has everything in it that your hair just wants. It's so lovely. For a pot of this, it is £15 again, so it's a bit more expensive, but like I said, I did want to go for more luxurious products in this video. It hasn't got the best smell, I'm not going to lie to you, but it's so worth it. So if you haven't tried it, trust me and thank me later. So that is everything I would recommend for £100 and 80p. I did go over it a little bit, but I thought it was worth it to add on a few other things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and leave me a thumbs up because it will show me that you like these kinds of videos. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below with any requests that you have, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!